Ever wonder why small businesses seem to struggle in the digital world? Picture walking into a bustling marketplace where everyone is clamoring for attention. That's what it's like for small businesses trying to carve out their niche online. They face stiff competition from larger enterprises that have bigger budgets and more resources. Visibility becomes a major hurdle. It's like trying to shout above the din in a crowded room. But it's not just about getting noticed. It's about engaging customers, making them feel seen, heard, and valued. Small businesses often excel at this in person, but online, that's a different story. The digital landscape is vast and varied. It's a labyrinth of algorithms, trends, and hashtags, where the rules of engagement are constantly changing. Connecting with a target audience in this digital maze can be a daunting task. Indeed, the digital landscape can be a tough terrain to traverse for small businesses. One of the biggest hurdles, the social media predicament. Small business owners are often masters in their field, brimming with passion and knowledge about their products or services. But when it comes to managing their social media presence, that's a whole different ballgame. It's like being an excellent chef who suddenly needs to become a professional photographer to showcase their culinary creations. The difference? Instead of a camera, it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It's about understanding algorithms, hashtags, engagement metrics, and the best times to post. And let's not forget time. Managing social media is not a set-and-forget task. It requires constant nurturing, responding to comments, creating engaging content, and keeping up with the ever-changing social media trends. This lack of expertise and time can hinder a small business's progress, keeping them from tapping into the full potential of these powerful platforms. Without the right skills and time, social media can be a tough nut to crack. But there's a simple yet powerful solution: social media posting. It's not just about filling up your feed, it's about creating meaningful connections with your audience. Each post is an opportunity to engage, to inspire, to inform. Imagine your posts as threads, weaving a tapestry of your brand's story. Each thread adds depth, color, and life, making your business more relatable and memorable. But how do you craft these threads? How do you keep them consistent and engaging? Enter Wonder George, your marketing AI sidekick. Dedicated to helping small businesses like yours, Wonder George crafts compelling posts, schedules them for the ideal times, and analyzes the engagement. It's like having your very own social media manager, without the hefty price tag. Wonder George doesn't just take the task off your hands, it optimizes your social media strategy, helping you reach a wider audience and build stronger relationships. With the right tools and approach, social media posting can become your business's best friend. Remember, posting on social media isn't just about content, it's about building relationships. Each post is a handshake, an introduction, a smile, a chance to engage with your audience on a personal level. It's about creating a dialogue, not a monologue. Every like, comment, share, or retweet signifies someone who has connected with your content. It's the first step in building trust, loyalty, and a sense of community around your brand. Now, imagine the ripple effect of consistent posting. Each interaction is a pebble tossed into the water, creating ripples that reach far and wide. Your regular posts foster a loyal following, and this following becomes your brand's ambassadors, spreading the word about your business, attracting new customers, and ultimately, driving growth. The power of social media lies in its ability to amplify your reach exponentially. So, keep the conversation going and watch your business grow. Now, you have a choice to make, and it's a smart one. You see, you could continue to navigate the choppy waters of social media on your own, juggling posts, replies, and hashtags. You could spend hours crafting posts, only to see them get lost in the sea of online content. Sure, it's doable, but is it the most efficient use of your time and resources? Or you could turn to Wonder George. This handy marketing AI is like having your own personal social media manager for just $49 a month. Wonder George not only crafts and schedules your posts but also analyzes engagement, fine-tuning your strategies for optimal results. It's like having a compass guiding you through the digital marketplace, helping you connect with potential customers in a meaningful way. So, the choice is yours. Continue to juggle, or let Wonder George take the reins. Choose wisely and watch your social media presence grow.